G'day ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my flight attendant tag video. It's taken a while for me to make this one, but here it is. Let's get straight into it. We've got 10 questions. 10 questions. Ready? Question 1. Where are you based? Well, I'm based in Brisbane. Question 2. What's your favourite layover city and why? Well, rather than tell you, let's fly there and show you. Bali, obviously.
That's why. I want to explore it. That's why it's my favourite destination. Because Bali, why not?
Question 3. How long have you been a flight attendant for? For me, 7 years, going on to 8 this year. Question 4. What is your biggest flight attendant pet peeve? Well, do you want me to keep my job? No comment. Next question. Question 5. What is your favourite thing about being a flight attendant? Question 6. What did you do before you became a flight attendant? Well, I was still in aviation, but I was a baggage boy. Yeah, I enjoyed it, but I enjoy what I do now a heck of a lot more. Next question. Question 7. What made you become a flight attendant? Well, bit of an aerosexual. But seriously, I've always loved aviation and I continue to love it. Question 8. What is one thing or product that you must have with you on your crew bag? Well, for me, my camera, obviously, so I can bring you this awesome content. Question 9. What has been the most challenging part about being a flight attendant? Not being able to spend enough time with my wife. Question 10. What advice can you give to a new hire or an aspiring flight attendant? Well,
do it! Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday, you said tomorrow. So just do it! Make your dreams come true! Just do it!
do it. Well guys, that's it from me. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below last time you smiled at your flight attendant. And you want to see more videos of my adventures, don't forget to subscribe. Also down somewhere at the bottom there. See you next time. Off to Bali next week.